Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, April the 8th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle number. Let me position the camera. Come on. Yeah. Binary puzzle number 4380. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 3 ones and a lot of empty boxes. I think the one should be in the middle, because then here we have 2 O's and there are 2 O's. Yeah, I think this one should be there. So the rest are the O's. Okay. Double O. Here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 3, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 3. Interesting. We need to compare. I think we need to compare. 101. Do we have 101? No. 101. Oh. 01. And this row and that row. 1100 empty box. 1100 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. A double O here, 1 there, 1. Then 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again with the first row and the last row. Can we see here 101? No. No. Do we have 101? 010. No. It's not. This second row and the last row. Alright, 1 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle in this additional for today. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.